Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2025 Toyota Camry. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.